so we know that there are two different sized wheels. There's a larger wheel and a smaller wheel. So we automatically know that D is the smaller wheel and C is the larger wheel. We're not entirely sure about A and B though. So in experiment 1, it says that he took the larger wheel and that he stuck the piece of tape on so that it touches the ground. And so that means that we have to go with the larger wheel, so either A, B, and C, and that has to touch the ground. So that has to be C here. So I'm going to say this one is experiment 1. Okay, then in experiment 2, it says that he took the same wheel, so it looks like this, but then he stuck the tape 10 centimeters from the edge so that it never touches the ground. So that has to be either this one or this one. And we know that he's still using the larger wheel, so it has to have been this one here. So B is experiment number 2. In experiment C, he took the smaller wheel, stuck the tape on the side so it would touch the ground, and then he rolled the wheel. So that means it must have been either this one or this one. Since it touches the ground, it must have been this one here. So A is experiment 3. And so that leaves D as experiment 4. So in experiment 4, he took that smaller wheel and put the tape 10 centimeters from the edge. So another way to check this is we know that in this wheel here, the max height is at 40 and the radius is going to be from 20 to 40, so that's 20 centimeters. If he stuck it 20 or 10 centimeters from the edge, it must have been 10 centimeters lower. So we can see that here. So it's now the amplitude is 10. So we know that we're correct.